This is the part second of the tutorial. We will be making a quote now. So before this, I hope you have already downloaded the Pixlr application, overlay images and the frames. So firstly, you will be getting a category in which you need to make those quotes. So once you get the category, you will copy a quote in that category. So you will be copying it from the internet only. Secondly, we will download a image which is related to that quote. So you can take an idea from this image, right? So you will download an image which is related. Only download this from Pixabay, Unsplash or pixels.com, so that we don't face, even you also don't face any copyright issue. Right after this, we will start editing. You have the image, you have the quote, so we will start editing. You will firstly open this image in the Pixlr, right? So first step would be to get a square image, so we will crop this to 1:1. After this, we will paste a black or a white overlay image so that the text will be visible, would be more clear once we paste it. So paste that overlay, make it translucent so that the background is also visible, right? After this, we will paste the quote in the center and do the highlighting, right? So in every step that you're editing something, make sure that you maintain a symmetry. Even when you paste the overlay or when you paste this quote, maintain a symmetry, right? And highlighting, this is a very important thing. Highlight the important words in that quote. After this, we will paste the frame that matches the color of that image, and lastly we will be saving the file to 750 by 750, right? So I will show you these things in this image. If you firstly see, I copied this quote firstly, right? Then downloaded this image which relates this quote. If you see, the quote is, the mind is everything, what you think you become. So this image which I downloaded, you can see a man is thinking something which is related to this line, right? He is thinking something to become. So once I downloaded this, I cropped this image in 1:1 in the Pixlr firstly. Secondly, after this, I pasted this black overlay, right? So this is also translucent. As you can see, you are able to see this person in the background. After this, I copied this quote, right? I copied this quote. As I told you, we need to maintain a symmetry. As you can see, it's at an equal distance from both the sides, right? It won't, it isn't perfect, but no, you need to try that. You are maintaining a symmetry. Secondly, after this, also for this overlay image also, try to keep this in center from every side, right? After this, the highlighting thing, right? So this is the highlight, become what you think you become, right? So I highlighted this. So highlighting can be done in two ways. You can change the color, or you can uh, write this text in bold letters. I will show you both these process. Okay, so last thing was to uh, paste this frame. You can see this yellow frame, right? This is completely readable, so you need to make sure that this box is correctly positioned and the courtyard.com is visible clearly. right. So one more thing, make sure that you are not making grammatical mistakes. If there is any comma somewhere, you need to mark that comma or full stop, right. One more thing which you can add from your side is you can underline things also, right. So okay, one more thing, uh, so if this quote is written by some great personality, you will write his name here with a dash like this. You will write his name, right. Okay, so let's start making a quote. I hope you got upper idea and complete idea about how we will be making this quote. So suppose I am writing I have to make quotes on this Oscar Wilde. He was a great famous personality, Irish personality, right, who was a poet as well, right. So what I will do is I will copy his quote. The quote is be yourself, everyone else has already taken. Suppose this is the quote, right. So what I will firstly copy this. So what comes to your mind first? Be yourself, everyone else has already taken, right. So it's my idea that it's I can use an image in which a person is sitting and he is thinking something, or you know okay, so you can't use an image in which somebody is smiling or somebody is exercising or cycling, something like that, right. We can't use an image like that, or any image in which there is a there are mountains or clouds. You can't use an image in this, right. So okay, let's go to the Pixabay, right. So I will use the same keywords, be yourself, which was written here, right. If you can see, be yourself, right. I will firstly search with these keywords. I already have copied the whole code, so I will just write be yourself. Okay, let's see if I get. Okay, this is a very good image, but the issue is the text won't be visible once we copy the quote, paste that quote on that. Okay, so there is not no any such image which I can use. Okay, then I will search with the human. Let me search it to the human. Okay. Okay, so I find this image perfect, right. I find this image perfect. Even you can use this image also, right. But if you see at this image, right, she's thinking something, right. She is she's deeply thinking something, right. So be yourself, everyone else has already taken, somewhat suits in this image. So I will click on this. This will give me an option to download this image. So click on free download here, right. Click on this, uh, click on 1280 by 853. Since we have to, at the end we need to get an image of 750 by 750. Okay, so I am not registered. It will take a while, as I am already registered with my laptop. So if you're doing it on phone, I will suggest you to register also. It will save at least 4 or 5 seconds of your. Okay, I will download this. Click on open. Okay, click on open with. Pixlr. Right, we are into the second step now. Right, uh, we have opened this image on Pixlr. We'll crop this to square and paste an overlay. Crop this image now. Crop 1:1. Okay, what I usually do is I don't try to keep this focused, since right, her face is the center of focus, but I don't try to hide that with my overlay. So I will just rotate the image firstly. Right, this is perfect, and then I will crop this to 1:1. Okay, this is a square image. Now I need to paste that overlay. Okay, from here I will just paste the overlay. See, on this image, okay, I will just show you firstly. In this image, if you can see, if I write with the white text, right, it won't be visible here, since this, the what she is wearing is of white color. So the text of white, suppose I write ABC, right? So C, which is now mixed with the background, won't be visible clearly, since this is a very big letters which I have used. Suppose I use smaller fonts, it won't be visible with the white background. Similarly, if I use a black text, right, so in this area you can see the black text is won't be visible, right? That is why I need to paste an overlay here. So this overlay I will use. Okay, you can even rotate this, right? So to maintain a symmetry, I will use it like this only. Okay, so let's okay, so to make translucent or completely uh, mixed with the background, you can change it with the slider at the bottom. I will just keep it to I will make it 40. Right, so make sure that it is in center, since this is a rectangle image which I am using. Make sure that is it's in center from the distance here and here is equal, this side left and right is equal, right? So okay, according to me, this is just uh, fine now, right? After this, click on this correct button. Once this is done, the second step would be to paste the quote. Okay, so I will paste it. Be yourself. Right, and this is one sentence. This can be in a one sentence. Everyone else is already taken. So is can be in this line. So be yourself. Everyone else is already taken. So I will use. Okay, so one thing which we were missing is Oscar Wilde, right? I will just check for the spellings. Okay, I will write this with a different font. I will just show you how you can use two different fonts. Right, channels is already taken. So we will be just taking in a font which is easily readable. See, you will be getting fonts like these also. So these are very fancy fonts. For now, you use some decent fonts, something like this. Alright, this is good. Okay, to make this in center, click on this icon. This is center, but I will keep it on left. This is more readable for now. Okay, maintain a symmetry again. Click on. Okay, so to change the color, if you can see this drop, click on this, choose the color that you want. Okay, this is also good, right? But okay, this looks fine, right? This looks fine. Now for the creditor, right? Okay, so I would suggest you to keep the same text, same font style. You can just change the color bar. Oscar Wilde with a small size. Right, I have just okay, so this is done, right? And one more thing which I told you for highlighting purpose, right? Be yourself. I will just write this, be yourself. Right, I will highlight this, be yourself. Again, I will go to the same font. Right, I will just okay, so you will keep this on the image, the text which is already written. Now okay, to highlight this, choose a color that highlights. Okay, great, this is fine. Lastly, last thing was to paste the frame over this image. Again, click on this icon on bottom left, click on double exposure, click on tap to add photos. Okay, so add that frame. Again, I will go to the same folder, right? Choose a frame. So image was somewhat black and white. I will choose okay, I can go with the yellow frame, or you can go with the white frame as well. Right, this looks fine. Look for the symmetry. Okay, looks good. Click on the correct button and done. Click on done. Okay, so done is written at the top. You can see done on top right corner. Click on that. Once you click on save image, it will give you an option to choose a size. So size for the courtyard.com, the standard, which is 750 by 750, right? And then click on okay. So right, there are two options, jpg and png. Click on keep it on jpg only, jpeg. Click on ok. So file saved to our codes folder, right? So we'll just check and I will show you how this looks now. Okay, this was the code which we made. If you face any issue, you can surely mail us back regarding the issue. Secondly, we will also be providing you with a chat support. For now, this code is final, right? So this is final to be uploaded. Thank you.